In today's session, we are going to see LibreOffice Calc subtotal function. What is subtotal function and how does it works? So before any function we are going to use, there is need of data, and I have some data on my clipboard. Now going to paste it. Okay, as you may see, there are data on the screen, and it is divided in several parts, that is order, date, reason, REP, item, unit cost, and total. So now we are going to apply the subtotal function on the data available here. Before applying the subtotal function on the sheet, we must have the data having different level. As you may see, there are different level on reason, order date, item, unit, and minimum every field. So now going to apply the subtotal function. We can find out the subtotal function in the from menu bar, and the menu bar, that is the menu item data. After clicking the data, there is the option of subtotal. Now going to click on subtotal. As we may see, there are first group, second group, third group, and options are available here. So now going to apply for the first group, that is group by. There is option to separate the data group by. Now going to separate the data group by reason, and now going to calculate subtotal for that is item, and now going to apply the function that is count. So in second group we are going to proceed the same, and now going to separate the data by item, and item, this is unit cost, going to calculate the subtotal value for unit cost, and now going to count the sum. Okay, now going to apply this. Before applying the this one, now going to click on third group, and we are not going to touch the third group, not going to apply any third group. Now going to move for the options. We have that is group may be divided by page break between groups, and this is also for case sensitive. Now pre-sort area according to the group. Now there is the option for sort, that is ascending order or descending order, include formats or custom sort format. Now going to click on OK, and now you may see the difference, the bifurcation, the separation of data here. Now you may see all the data on the region, that is central. This is, and all the data having central, this is separated on central. Now you may see this is central value, central, all that is items are binder sum is there, unit cost is there, and now going to see the central for desk item, for pen, central for pen set, center for pencil, center. And now this is also divided, further divided into east, and item wise divided. And now on the left side of a screen you may see there are the levels, showing levels. Our data bifurcated in 5 levels. Now all the 5 levels are here. After clicking on one by one, as you may also see the minus point, that is minus sign. Now if we are going to click on the minus, the concerned data, the relevant data will be hidden. This is, as you may see, all the data is going to be hide one by one. You may see here, and this one, and we are working with this data. And now you may see the grand sum, this is unit cost, this one. And if we would like to show all the data on the screen, we have the second option is that you may also click on level 1, that is, this is, we are on level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3, this is level 4, and this is level 5. Okay, now going to see again again now going to apply the further function. So this is now going to undo all the operations we have done here, and we may work on fresh data again. As you can see, all the data is fresh as earlier. Now going to apply the same function here, data subtotal function, and now group by, that is going to group by region, and now this is calculate subtotal value for the units and going to submit. Now it's a very simple thing, and going to click here. Now you may see all the data is separated on the behalf of region, on the value of region, that is central sum this is, and you may see east and all the data as here. And if you would like to calculate the value for further, that is also would like to calculate by the unit cost function, unit cost item, that is this one, and now all the data is going to calculate it here. If you would like to again add some value like as items, you may also calculate, and if we are going to second group, going to divide it group by none, and calculate subtotal value for the region, and now going to calculate the region. Now going to press on OK. As you may see here, the value was here. Okay, so I think you are getting my points, and this is okay. This is again going to apply the value data, that is subtotal. This is, if we don't want to group by anything, then we may skip, that is none, calculate subtotal for region, and now going to count the region, and okay. Now you may see, and now data subtotal, this is by region, calculate subtotal value for unit cost and total, and going to submit, and okay. Now you may see the result here. This is very easy to get it. So thank you for today's session. Okay.